Looking for septic tank installation and repair in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how crucial a properly functioning septic system is for your home or business. Our septic tank installation and repair services in Sherwood Park help with everything from new system installations to emergency septic repairs, ensuring your property has a reliable and long-lasting solution. Whether you're dealing with a leaky tank, a clogged drain field, or just want peace of mind with regular septic maintenance, we've got you covered. In Sherwood Park, we know that the soil conditions and local regulations can present unique challenges, which is why our team provides specialised solutions tailored to your specific needs. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for septic tank installation and repair in Sherwood Park.